welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Lauren. In today's video, we have an unboxing and there's two items in here, one of which is a handbag. I'm very excited to show you this handbag because there are no reviews on it on YouTube. There's other items by the brand, but not on this handbag in particular. And I think it falls very nicely into the whole category of quiet luxury, stealth wealth, very minimalist, which is what I'm gravitating towards now as, you know, I'm creating my capsule wardrobe. But these two items are from 24S. I am working with 24S on this video and they are sponsoring it. So I'm so appreciative and so lucky to be working with them. If you're not familiar with 24S, they ship from Paris. This took 3 days to reach me, which is amazing because I am here in Canada. So they have very fast shipping, but 24S has over 300 luxury, beauty, and fashion brands. They have high-end brands, like the very well-known established brands like Dior, Fendi, Loewe. They also have emerging brands like Jacquemus. They have Max Mara. They have Anine Bing. They are also authorized reseller of Louis Vuitton as well as Celine. I believe Fendi. I'm just gonna look really quick so I don't want to miss it. And I don't know how to pronounce this. Maybe you can help me. I believe it is Moina or Moina. So they offer 100% product authenticity. So when I was looking on the website, I did see a lot of Louis Vuitton pieces and I was confused at first, but they are part of the LVMH group. So you know you're getting 100% authentic pieces from them and pieces that are vintage and pieces that you can't find anymore, which I think is amazing. In addition to the fast shipping, they do offer 24/7 customer service. They offer service in English, I believe in Korean, as well as Mandarin. So fast shipping, great customer service, a lot of different items and items that you can't typically find and that you can trust are going to be authentic. They do often have promos, so check out their website or you can follow them on Instagram at 24S.
A promotion where you can save 20% off sale items that applies to both the men and the women. The code is extra20. There are some brand exclusions, so if you click on an item, it will take you to the product page. If there is a little note that says extra 20, then you save that extra discount. Again, it's running from the 21st of July until the 31st.
In other videos I've seen, they always have the amazing, beautiful box. Like, look at that. It says 24s.com live from Paris. That is beautiful. It's the little things like this make me happy. Oh, and it says merci from the bottom of our heart. It is nicely wrapped. Okay, so this is the first one. This is not the handbag, but I did pick up this sweatshirt by Anine Bing. I love Anine Bing. This is now my fourth piece I have. This is my third sweatshirt, but I also bought a bag from them as well. This one I wanted for a while. I actually wanted the one that said London, but then I liked this colorway a lot, and this one said New York. I do love New York. I miss going to New York. I haven't been in a few years, so I decided to pick this one up. So the actual style of this is called the JC sweatshirt. It is oversized. I have learned my lesson from ordering my other two sweatshirts that when the description says oversized, always size down. So I typically am a small in a lot of sweatshirts because I like them to be oversized. And Anine Bing is, if it says oversized, it means it's very oversized. So I got this one in an extra small. You can see there is quite a bit of room. I personally really love the quality of Anine Bing. I know they're fairly expensive, but I've never had any issues with washing them, drying them, fading in weird ways or anything like that. Sometimes that happens with some of my other sweatshirts from Aritzia, but I love this color. Like I said, it's this beautiful kind of sage seafoam. I think it's perfect for the summertime right now for sort of cooler nights. And then I also love Anine Bing has really high necklines on their sweatshirts, which I love because I like to wear chains and I like them to be showing and not hidden. So that's the first item that I got. Moving on to the handbag. I'm so excited. This is it. This is the dust bag. Like I said, I have not opened this up yet, so I'm really excited. It is by the brand Patou. I was looking at the history of this brand. It started in the early 1900s. I think 1914 or 16, something like that, by Jean Patou. He was a perfumer, or he had a perfumery, I guess, and it has recently been acquired by LVMH, and they have rebranded it to just Patou. What really caught my eye about this brand with their handbags is that they use the dead stock leather, or so they use the very high-end unused leather. They source that out, so I love that aspect about the brand, so nothing is going to waste. I also love that each one, there's only 80 of each handbag color, so they're limited and there's only 80 of them. So I'm excited to see which number I got. Oh my gosh. Oh, I have to look at her myself. This is my first time seeing her. Okay, so this handbag is called La Patou. It's their signature handbag. They did come out with a canvas version as well as a mini version as well, but you can see up front, mine is in the color ivory. I'm sorry if the lighting is slightly off, but it's in the color ivory, so it's a little bit off white. I don't know if it's showing up true to color right now. It does have a gold hardware on there. Typically I like silver, but for this one, I think it goes really well. And then to open it, I just love this design. The design is supposed to be like the traditional JP monogram that they used to have. When you open it up, it just has that right there, which says JP. So it is magnetic, I think, right? Yeah, it's magnetic. Love that little aspect. And then the inside, okay, I need to see what number I got. I got 13 out of 80. So let me show you. So it just says, if you can see there, it says 13 out of 80. Oh my God, I love this. It says right there, made in Spain. And it is sort of like an accordion style. So there's 3 separate compartments, the middle one being the biggest. This is, I think, suede on the inside, or micro suede. You can see it opens up like that, and then the back also has a pocket. The other thing I love about this, let's take this off. So this is just the care information. Here it says 100% calf leather, again made in Spain. The color is ivory, and I think these are just care instructions. Yes, La Patou is Patou's first leather bag. It can be a bag of many faces. It can be worn in 3 ways: as a purse, across the chest, or as a long shoulder. So this is adjustable. Branding there, the only thing it says is Patou. I love that. You know me and my handbags, I like no branding anymore. So this would be, I think, sort of carrying it. You could carry it kind of just by hand like this, or you could put it over the shoulder here. So now you can see. I'll do some different shots so you can see what it looks like. I just adjusted it, and I have to tell you that this method is so smart. Do you notice that there is no extra leather strap hanging out? I hate that. So with my Loewe puzzle, that annoys me. Even with my new Saint Laurent mini tote shopper, the excess strap annoys me. This has no excess strap. So basically, to adjust this here, the strap length, this bottom part flips up, that clasp, so you can move it to all the different notches, and then you just slide it right back in. It's so smart. And then you use this one here to adjust the length of the leather. So there's never any excess strap sticking out. My camera battery overheated, so I'm back, but in the meantime, I just got to play around with this handbag more, and I think I love it. Honestly, this method of adjusting the strap is just so clever. I have not seen another handbag brand do this, and I don't know why. It just makes it look so much cleaner because there's no excess strap sticking out. Even with that little leather piece that holds it down, that doesn't always work. This is just, it's a stunning handbag. I have to say that. I love that there's no branding. I love the shape. I think it's classic. I think I can use this for years to come. The smooth leather, the fact that they are taking that step towards having that positive impact on the environment using unused, high quality, dead stock leather. So smart. The inside, it just with the compartments and being able to stay organized in the back pocket. I love this handbag. So price point of this all in was just under $1,600, including taxes, duties, everything like that. Definitely go check out 24S. Again, they are part of the LVMH group, so you know that you can get a lot of pre-loved, authentic Louis Vuitton items, Celine items, Fendi items. They are an authorized reseller, and again, they also have just like a ton of different brands as well. So Bottega Veneta, Chloe, Celine, Fendi, Dior, and then again a lot of the contemporary brands. But I'm ecstatic to have this new handbag. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to 24S for sponsoring this video. I'm so appreciative, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.